Hey, what's up, Discover Ohana? Today we're going to be installing new exhaust tips onto the Jeep. I've got the Red Rock dual outlet exhaust axle back on there, which has the 3-inch outlets right now. I wanted to get a bigger exhaust tip. They've got a 2.5-inch inlet, which is adjustable. We've got 4-inch outlet and it's resonated, so it should have a little bit nicer tone. I bought them on Amazon. They're like 20 bucks a piece, so if you want to pick some up, I'll drop a link down below the video for you to go check out yourself. Yes, as you can see, I've got the old one off right here. This is the polished tip 3-inch. It's just got the roll on the end. This is the new one. There's a big difference in diameter there. So we're gonna put the new one on. We'll see how it sounds. Alright guys, so installation was quick and easy. Only took about 10 minutes to swap the old part off and the new part on. So you saw what it sounded like. Definitely a difference in tone. It's a cheap upgrade if you want to change the tone of your exhaust just a little bit. Get that deep rumble to it. It sounds a lot better. Hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright? So long, suckers!